Hey guys, Cheryl with Made to Market here. I want to show you a quick video on how to join Facebook groups. This is something that we talked about in a live video recently with Kevin and Grace with the AHCA. Joining the Facebook groups really helps with your organic growth, and you should be sharing good content into those groups a few times a week. And not just sharing content, but really like interacting in the group and networking with people. So we wanted to do a quick video on exactly how to join those groups for anybody that may not know. So you want to go to your Facebook page. We're going to do this from a laptop, but if you're using your phone, it's pretty much the same. So in the little search bar, you want to type in whatever your area is. So for this one, we're doing Charlotte, North Carolina. And then from a desktop, you'll look on the left and see all posts, people. You want to go down to groups. If you're using a mobile phone, those options are going to be at the top of the page, and you might have to scroll over to the right a little bit to find where it actually says groups. Click on that, and then it'll bring up all of these options, and these are local Facebook groups in your community. You only want to join the ones that are relevant, like we talked about in the live video. And you also need to read the rules on the group to see if you're even allowed to post, because some group admins don't allow you to post about your own business. So you don't want to go making people in your community mad. So read the rules, follow the rules. Let's see. Okay, so for instance, this one is Charlotte Classifieds Home Sales and Rentals Business and Events. Small business and classifieds in North Carolina. Post once per day. So it seems like you could probably get away with posting in here. I like to just kind of check out the rules first before joining, and then possibly forgetting that you joined it. So you go over here, and usually it's in the About section. This one's iffy because it does say promote your business, and sometimes you will see this, and it'll be groups that somehow want you to pay one way or another to promote your business. I'm not saying that that's definitely what this link right here is, but it probably is. And you really don't need to do that. You can do this for free. That's silly. Okay, so to check in a group, you can hover over it, left click, and open in a new tab. And then you can see, so this one, if you scroll down, it says group rules right here. No promotion or spam. Post any sort of advertisement posts will be deleted. So if you join this group, which you can definitely do in order to just network and get to know people, that's great. But make sure you keep like a little note or journal or some sort so you can make a mental note not to post your advertisements in here, because if you do, it'll be deleted. But if you continue to do it, the admins will probably delete you from the group. So here's another one about moving to Charlotte. That could be really good if you're allowed to promote, because of the fact that they're going to need a house cleaner when they do move. This is run by a realtor. Sometimes they do like to work with other people. Oh, they do have cleaning services in here though. So I would join this one and maybe even reach out to the realtor and say, hey, I would love to be on your list. Yeah, here we go. Solicitation. Members posting products or services will not be allowed unless approved by admin. So that's fine. In this instance, it would be good to join the group and then message the admin and say, you know, I'm a new cleaning business in town. I'm AHCA certified. I would really love to work with you in partnership or in some sort of way. Maybe you can do a cleaning for her at a discounted rate just to show her what you can do. That's to be worked out between you guys. But the worst thing that they'll do is say no. Like, don't be scared to reach out to people and network, because that's exactly how you grow your business, is by networking. And if you take a chance and she says, no, you know, we only let this person do it, that's fine. Thank you so much for your time. Keep me in mind. And you don't know, maybe the other girl that she uses for cleaning, you know, has something come up and she can't clean anymore. Well, maybe she'll call you. So you always want to just take the chance. Buy-sell trade groups are almost always good. And this one has 53,000 members. So to join, you just click this little button. And then it will ask you these questions. And you answer them, and then you're in. Moms groups are great. Just make sure that you read the rules. Yard sale sites are really good ones. Okay, so after you join the ones in that area, I'm sure there's another city or town or county. You want to look up more than just your specific town. So for instance, if I live in Melbourne, Florida, then I'll look up Melbourne, but I'll also look up Brevard County. And that will bring up a lot more options for groups as well. Surrounding towns, so Cocoa Beach if I go that far, Indian Harbor Beach, Sebastian. You know, there's a lot of towns within 30 minutes that if I look up the name of those on Facebook, then it'll be very similar groups, and it may be some of the same people, but it'll also be just widening that net that you're putting out there. So we're going to move on from Charlotte and go to Indian Land. And again, go over to the left for groups. And then we'll see, oh, so this one allows advertising. So when we open that up, we can see the specifics of it. Advertising on Saturdays and Sundays only. So we would make a little note of that so that we remember. And then click the little plus sign. And you can join as your personal profile or your business profile. And I always recommend joining as your business profile if that option is allowed. Sometimes it's not, and that's fine. You can join as your personal profile instead, and then just tag your business in it. So then once you are in the group, then you want to not just advertise to them all the time. That's annoying. So you want to use the search bar and type cleaning or things related to cleaning. Move out, you know, moving, stuff like that. And you'll be able to just kind of see what's going on, if anybody's looking for services. And so as you're looking, I see there's a lot of people that are posting their cleaning services here or cleaning ads in here, and almost nobody is commenting on them. You know, now we're getting to some, but it's a lot of them just don't have a lot of interaction going on. there's like not many likes, not many comments. So you want to include things that make you stand out. So if you are an AHCA member, then put that in there. Don't be shy. You paid to become a member. You took the cleaning course. Be proud of that. Shout it to the world. Every time you go into one of these groups and somebody's looking for cleaning, say, hey, I would love to do it. Here at Ray's Sunshine Cleaning Services, we are AHCA professional house cleaners. We are certified in COVID cleaning. We are veteran owned, blah, blah, blah. That makes you stand out when they're looking through 20 comments of girls going, oh, I'll do it. Well, yours stands out now. And that's exactly what you're trying to do. So, anyways, that's how you join local Facebook groups. That's how to search in the group to look for cleaning, people that are looking for cleaning, so you can comment on them, what you should say, whatever it is that makes you stand out, put that in there. And then just visit there a few times a week to kind of chat with people and comment on their posts and stuff like that to just show that you're not in there just to sell yourself. You're also in there because you're part of this community and you like this community and you want to get to know the people in it. All right. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, happy posting.